How to use Miro. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Miro and how you can use it to manage all of your teams. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on their main dashboard, Miro. As you can see over here, this is how it looks like. Now if you don't know what Miro is, it's basically where, it's like a collaboration of a sorts where, different teams come over here with each other. They brainstorm different ideas, they work out a plan, they manage stuff. It's pretty amazing. So it's like a whiteboard, and you just try to do something. As you can see over here in this video, it's a whiteboard, and she's making out a plan, and all the teams are looking at it and giving it their advice and what to do and what not to do and all of that. So it's pretty amazing. So let me show you how you do it. So first things first, what we need to do is sign up. So the Miro is not completely free. There is a pricing plan, however. Let me just show you, although you can use it for free as well. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. There is a free plan, the team plan, the business, and the enterprise, right? And for the free plan, you get 3 editable boards, pre-made templates, core integrations, and basic and attention management. Whereas if you go with the teams, you get all of that. You get unlimited editable boards, unlimited visitors, custom templates, projects, private boards, and starting from 2 members, so you can add 2 more members instead of your own. And then for the business one, you have $16 per month, right? Then you get unlimited guest, Miro smart diagramming, Miro smart meeting, single sign-on SSO, access through OKTE, OnLeg, and all of that. And you will have up to 5 members available in the business one. And for the enterprise, you're gonna have to contact them for their price, but in this one you get every single one. So you get premium support, dedicated success manager, you get automated user and licensed, get data governance, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty amazing. There's also this one as well, where you can get a consultant plan. So in this one, you can get a private secure workspace for every client, custom templates and workspace, no minimum seats, and it's going to be like $12 per member per month, and it's going to be billed annually as well. So down below you can see all of your key features as well. So I'm not going to go ahead and show you every single one. You can come over here and view them on their main website. So for now, I'm just simply going to continue with the free plan and click on get started. And over here, I just sign up to start for free. I just enter in my name, my work email, my password, and just simply agree to the terms and services and click on get started. Or I can sign up with Google. So I'm going to go ahead and actually sign up with Google because it saves quite a lot of time. So I'm going to catch you guys in a little bit once I've signed up, and I'll see you guys in the dashboard. And then over here, you set up your team. You just enter in what is your team's name or whatever. So I'm just simply gonna say One Media. And what will you use Miro for? We'll just use it for work. What is your role? I'll just say, company management. And what describes you the best? I'll just say team leader. And what's your company size? I would say 2 to 50. And have you visited Visual Tools before? I have never used them before. And then how did you hear about Miro? Just say Google search engine and click on continue. And then over here, you just copy this link and share it with your work manager, work messenger. You send them out, and you just, invite different team members, or you can enter in the emails over here, and then you can send invitations as well. But for now, I'm just simply going to skip this. And now we want to do, so over here, strategy and planning, research and design, mapping and diagram, meeting and workshops, agile workflow, and then ideation and brainstorming. So we just have to choose whichever one you want, or you can skip this as well, and you can just try out the tool for yourself. So I'm just simply gonna skip this, and I'm gonna click on try out the tool for myself. All right, so over here, once you've done that, this is how it's gonna look like. So you're gonna have your dashboard shown over here, and over here you're gonna have all of your templates. So as you can see, all templates, as you can see, we have a bunch of different templates. So these are for meetings and workspaces, these are for brainstorm, and this is for agile workflow as well, mapping and diagram, research and diagram, and all of that. Basically, it all depends on you, on how you want to use it. You also have community templates as well. So if you want to see all of that, you can see all of the templates that are made by the community of Miro. So for now, let's go ahead and see this one over here, strategy and planning. I really like boards, so let's see how this looks. So over here, this is how it's going to look. We're going to have like these boards, 4 blocks, and then in them, we're going to have different tasks and opinions. So let's go ahead and use a pre-filled template and see how that looks. All right, so what are you using right now? I'm using a mouse, so I'm going to choose mouse and click on apply. All right, so we now just scroll up. All right, so over here, this is how it looks like. So we have on hold, this is a project, like this is a design that is made by the team, like a website design, and this is how it looks pretty decent. And this is the in progress one. This is like a UI design that you can see over here. It's a pretty detailed version. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, it has everything, but you can use this for other stuff as well. For example, you can go ahead and remove these and you can make your own custom boards as well, and you can use them for your own stuff as well. You can click on add over here and you can add different ones, and then over here on the left side you will have your main tools such as the click tool, and then you have this one called the templates, then you have text, then you have this sticker one or sticky notes, whatever you want to call it, then you have shapes, then you have lines over here, you have a draw tool, pen tool, comment tool, and frames, and then you have the upload button, and then you have a bunch of different other ones. If you click on this button, you will have a bunch of different more options. So for now, I think this looks good. Let's go ahead and view some other templates as well. So we're going to click on the template button over here, and we're going to see some more templates. Basically, I wanted to use the agile workflow. Let's go ahead and preview this one and see how that looks. All right, so this is a Kanban type of work frame, as you can see over here. Let me actually zoom in a little bit. So as you can see, yeah, this is much better. Depending upon what type of team you have and why you're using Miro, you would need some different types of templates. But for me, I usually like this one because it's pretty simple. You just add the name at the top, and then you put different tasks over here and assign people to them. You make different boards with different names in progress, done or failed or abandoned, whatever. And then it's pretty simple. You can even add different team Bs as well. So as you can see over here, team A, team B. So actually, let's go ahead and use this pre-filled template as well. And now let's go ahead and add that over here. So all right, so it's added over here onto the left side. Let me actually delete this one real quick. To delete this, all I gotta do is just simply select them or click on these 3 buttons and just simply click on delete, or just simply click the delete button, hit the delete button at the on the keyboard. As all right, so let's just move it over here. Now let's zoom in and see what we're dealing with. All right, so as you can see, this is what I mean, right? So we have blocks, we have different blocks over here. People can come over here and use these different blocks, but they won't have the editing tools that you would need. Like they won't have that permission. You can just simply add different people to use this block. They can come over here and type on these blocks and whatever they want. And if they want to move them, they just simply have to drag and drop them into a certain position, into a certain block, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty simple. It's really nice. Whatever you want to do, you can come over here, and then you just simply enter in the name of your block over here, and then you just simply share it as well by clicking on the share button, or you can just simply click over here onto the export this board. So if you wanted to export this, we just simply click over here and you export it. We can save it as an image or as a PDFD, or save board as a template, or download board backup, or export it to spreadsheet or CSV, or we can have like an embedded code so that we can have like our own website and we can embed the code on that website. Or we can attach it to Jira, which is like a project management tool, so that we can have like our own custom board that is made on Miro, then we are using it on Jira. So the possibilities are endless for you guys, but it all depends on you, on how you use it. So pretty much that's it for this video. That's how you use Miro. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.